Hi guys, today we're going to have a recap on binary. Okay, now binary is these numbers here, which is just a pile of ones and zeros. So we want to change this from binary into decimal, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to start with a number on the right hand side, so this here 1, we're going to write the number 1 over it, and then every time we go left we're just going to double it, so 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now all the numbers that have got a number 1 beneath it, we're just going to add them up, so 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 and 4 is 12, add 1 is 13. And that's it. Number 2, exactly the same thing. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And again, the ones with the number 1 underneath, we're going to add them up. So 16 plus 2 plus 1. 16, 17, 18, 19. Number 3. Again, 1, 2, 4, and 8. So it's just 8 plus 4 equals 12. Slightly different this time, we're going to change from decimal into binary. So I'm just going to do my scale again. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I'm going to ask myself, what's the biggest number I can take away from 27? Well, that's 16. So 27 take away 16 is 11. And I'm going to put a number 1 onto the 16 because it's the number I've used. The next biggest number I can take away from 11 is 8. So I'm going to do 11, take away 8, which is 3. And I'm going to put 1 under the 8 because I've used it. And now that I'm left with 3, I can say, well, 3 is just a combination of 2 and 1. And because there's nothing underneath the 4, I can just write a 0. There's nothing underneath 32, but I don't really need to use it, okay, as long as it starts with a 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Next question is number 10. So again, I'm going to go 1, 2, 4, 8. I don't need to go any further because it's just going to be bigger than 10. I'm going to start off by saying 10 take away 8 because it's the biggest number I can take away, which is 2. So I put 1 under the 8. Because I'm left with 2, I'll just put 1 under the 2. And everything else becomes zeros. So my answer is 1, 0, 1, 0. Finally, 41. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So I'm going to go 41, take away 32, because it's the biggest number I can take away, and that gives me 9. I'll put 1 under the 32. Well, I can actually tell that 9 just consists of an 8 and a 1. Fill the rest with zeros. So the answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And that's binary, guys, okay?